Welcome back, guys. Welcome back on the channel. It's been a long time. It's been overdue. This video was back in September. My wife and I, we flew to Tampa for a funeral. So come on aboard with us, and hope you enjoy the video.
Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, departing 17 Outlaw. Capital approach, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, just departed at Outlaw, 3,500, calling for flat following.
Over 177 Foxtrot Delta, Campbell approach, say destination.
And
Over 7 Foxtrot Delta, squawk 1374.
1374 for 7 Foxtrot Delta. 1374. And then after that, he's gonna come back to me, saying that he can see me.
Over 7 Foxtrot Delta, radar contact 8 miles south of Outlaw Field.
Affirmative, 8 miles south, 3,700 for final of 7,500. Outlaw traffic. So we are cruising right now at 9,500 feet. To be exact, 9,600.
25 Bravo X-ray, that traffic is at your 1 o'clock.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
We had a family friend.
459, maintain 3.
We had a family friend, like I was saying, that died, unfortunately, and we're going to support the family. So we're on our way to Tampa and coming back Sunday.
229 London Center, the room up under 3.
And Tampa approach, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, clear to enter the Bravo airspace.
Alright, those 2 at once. 177 Foxtrot Delta. You're cleared to the Bravo. Descend and maintain 3,500.
Descending maintain 3,500 for 7 Foxtrot Delta. Alright. Okay. Gear down. up on natural flap.
05.
Tampa Executive Report, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta 1 mile final, runway 05, full stop, Tampa Executive.
Living and going back home. And right here it seems like it's the chopper of a hard walk, you know. And here we were departing from Tampa, taking off from Tampa and heading back to Clarksville, Tennessee. As we were leaving, it was kind of bumpy, taking off here in Tampa on that day. But once we got up to the altitude, it was very smooth flight. And again, the plane was to stop in Georgia after 2 hours and get some fuel, and got to get up and go up to Clarksville. And as you can see, my wife was holding the iPad. Usually I have my iPad on my yoke, but on that day it was of course hot in Florida, September in Florida. It was hot. The iPad got overheated and I had to get off quick, get up there, get some cooler because it was hot. That's how it is. So when you land in Thomaston in Georgia, a lot of parachuters land. They do it like every time. It's beautiful. Of fuel in the plane. I'm getting a total of 15 gallons per side, so total of 30, 15 per side.
It's 677 approaching.
There we go. So right now Nathalie's flying the plane. We are about 25 minutes home, and she's doing pretty good. Alright, you're descending and you're banking. Look outside. Look outside, you can see you banking a little bit.
Outlaw 200, short approach, base. Outlaw.
Traffic at the tower, not Outlaw. Can you repeat again, please?
Outlaw traffic 046, we're doing a short approach base, final 170.
And Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177, Foxtrot Delta, the downwind for 17, Outlaw.
6 County traffic 98.
There you go. Okay, I see a light over there. I don't know if it's the other plane. Okay, that one is landing. Okay, where is it at? Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177, Foxtrot Delta. I have a traffic that just landed at Outlaw. Anybody else in the pattern?
Southwest traffic, Blue Order 71 is holding west on the 270 radial at 6,000 feet, Shelbyville.
Outlaw traffic, October 56 Charlie's a 4 mile final straight in 17 Outlaw.
And Outlaw traffic, Archer, I'm still looking for you. I'm turning base for 17. Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177, Foxtrot Delta, base for 17, Outlaw.
6 County traffic 98 Victor.
So there's somebody 4 mile final. So you really, I should be able to land before them.
046 on the go, 17 level close 7.
And left it on 17.
Do you see any plane?
1000,
I don't
taking a
see
left
it.
turn.
Okay, there it is right there. There it is. Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177, Foxtrot Delta. Final, short final for 17. Full stop, Outlaw.
Outlaw 20046, crosswind 17 Outlaw.
Crosswind, okay. Alright. Get down, flaps, good. Power off. Alright. That's gonna be a long landing.
Outlaw 20046, downwind 17 Outlaw.
Alright, the plane. Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177, Foxtrot Delta. Clear the active Outlaw.
And just like that, we ended our trip, Tampa. Ended up spending a couple days in Tampa with some friends and family. Tampa was great. It was Nathalie's first long cross-country trip, saying she enjoyed it, no problem. So until next time, to enjoy this Mooney machine.